How beautiful is the world that God created. Let's discover it together. Come with me. In the mother cat's tummy, a little kitten begins to grow. Inside it's warm, everything is loving, and her heart gives a rhythm to life. When it's born, it's so tiny, with its eyes closed like this. The mother licks, hugs, and protects, and the kitten says meow softly at the end. God created everything with so much love. Each little animal has its own way of being born. In the egg, in the belly, in the nest, or on the ground. Everything is a gift for us to learn. Yay! Inside the egg, the chick stays well hidden in its place. When it's time, it goes teck, teck, teck. Use its little beak to crack the shell. It comes out fluffy and a little squash. The mother hen calls it closer. Under her wing it stays warm and learns to scratch step by step very carefully. The cow teaches patience and calm. The little sheep teaches peace in the heart. The horse shows courage and strength, and all together they make a beautiful song. Nature speaks softly if we stop and listen. The flower says open and smile. The tree says wait to grow, and the little blade sings like this: joy fits anywhere. God created everything with so much love. The animals, the earth, and the sky too. And when we learn from creation, our hearts are filled with love and well-being. La la la, how beautiful it is to live. La la la, to learn and grow. Thank you, God, for so much beauty, for every little animal, and for nature's. God, for so much beauty, for every little animal, and for nature's.